Today we're trying a recipe to make a keto-friendly, low-calorie, superfood, gluten-free, 2-ingredient bread. If you're new here, Sarah and I have been on keto since 2019, and we try different keto-friendly and high-protein, low-carb recipes here on our channel. We like to call ourselves Keto Twins Test Kitchen because we don't know if these recipes are gonna work. This recipe really caught our attention because we know that you guys love 2-ingredient recipes, and we know that you guys love bread because we do too. So this recipe comes from Michaela Chiappa. I am so sorry if I have pronounced your name wrong. We're gonna be leaving her Instagram account linked in the description below. And so all you're gonna be needing for this recipe are egg whites and chia seeds. And Sarah and I typically stay away from chia seeds here on our channel because it takes a long time for chia seed recipes to like bloom or set. So when they say, oh, put it into the refrigerator and check it out the next day, I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. But because this recipe is instant, I said, let's try it and give it a go. And we are going to be making this, or hopefully making this, into a delicious, cheesy garlic bread. The other thing is, you don't need to buy a baguette mold. It's a baguette mold. And there's different types of baguette molds that you can buy. My husband actually enjoys making baguettes at home.
Not keto.
Not keto, exactly. And so you could form it onto a pan apparently, but this one has holes in it.
I didn't know that when I purchased it.
So I don't know if this is gonna work. I assume the holes serve a purpose. So we're gonna have to try and see. So we can leave this linked in the description below if it works out. So the first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to be blending up our chia seeds. The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of ground chia seeds. So I'm assuming that we're gonna have to add way more than 3 tablespoons into here to get that amount. So we're just probably gonna add about half a cup and see where we go from there. We have a new blender that our sister bought us for Christmas. It's very fancy.
It feels like very new age.
High?
Medium? I just do
Smoothie.
medium. No,
What the hell is,
medium.
oh, not milk, duh.
I would shake it a little bit before continuing just to make
Maybe
sure.
I'll stir it with a spoon.
I would shake it. Just shake it. Yeah.
Oh, I don't. Bear with me here. Brain cells activate. Is it hot in here? Is it just me? Okay, cut. Okay.
3 tablespoons?
Yeah. 1. All right, this is 3 tablespoons. We obviously did too much, so. The next step is going to be to crack and separate 5 large eggs. You want the egg whites only. You could go around this by just getting some egg whites in a can, not in a can, a carton. The thing that we like about this is that there's not a lot of waste involved and it lasts a pretty long time. So this lasts for about like a month and a half. We could use it to make chaffles, you could use it to make all different types of things. So we need about a cup of egg whites. Okay, we're gonna be beating these egg whites until stiff peaks form. It takes about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Did we overwhip it? I think we overwhipped it.
So we were whipping for 7 minutes, but kind of on high, so I don't know if it's like sliding around the bowl. I don't know if that means like,
Was this bowl wet at all?
no.
500 videos, and I think that was the first time that we overwhipped our egg whites. We luckily have about a cup left. So basically I asked ChatGPT to tell me what I did wrong, and it said I was using too high of a setting on the hand mixer. I started off at like an 8 and went up to 10. So I think that we just went way overboard, and now we have to start over. We still learn things all the time. This is a learning channel.
We never said we knew what we were doing.
Yeah, seriously.
1 cup. On the water.
We've been
More
whipping
learnings.
for minutes now, and we're getting concerned. And so I asked ChatGPT if it's true that liquid egg whites don't form peaks as well, and it's true. So what do we know? Nothing. I'm gonna add some cream of tartar, which makes this 3 ingredients, but if you're using fresh eggs, still 2. It said to add about a teaspoon.
Is that a teaspoon?
Yeah. So we're just gonna add a teaspoon in and move that to give it some structure. It's not working.
I think we added the cream of tartar too late.
Too late.
We thought this was gonna be a simple recipe, but
whenever we do that, whenever I say this is simple, it's cursed.
we're gonna
Move to regular egg, right?
Yeah.
Editor cue sad music.
Attempt number 3 with real egg.
Oh, I see
white.
an eggshell in here a little bit. Here we go again. Wow, even like this, the pull of this, I can tell it's different. It's like it feels more viscous. Stiff peaks. There you go. We're gonna fold in the chia seeds with the egg whites.
It's like falling.
Is it?
I mean, that's what I'm saying. Don't squash it down.
I'm not squashing it. Let's load these babies up. Eat, 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 eat. Please be something.
Please be something because there's holes. I think we have to get it in as soon as possible.
Okay.
Before it starts falling even further.
Get in there. Cheese and butter can solve anything, right? Right?
I don't know.
20 seconds left. Let's take a peek.
What? It's actually a bun. I'm glad. I was scared. Okay.
We have to let them cool completely.
Really?
Yep. I'm afraid it might collapse, so maybe we should just leave it keep the oven a little open and leave it in there so that it slowly cools for 10 minutes.
And then what?
Then we're going to make our garlic bread. Cheesy garlic bread. We have some parsley, garlic, butter, mozzarella. That can't go wrong. It's gonna make everything just
taste better.
Okay, it's cooled down, and I kind of thought we were gonna slice it, but I don't know. I feel that
It's a little fragile.
Yeah, it is solid. Hear that?
Yeah, I would just leave it. Let's just brush it on top.
We're gonna make it on top. We're just gonna put it in for a couple minutes to melt everything. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 425, whatever. Into our butter, we're gonna add some salt, some parsley, and some garlic paste.
I think that's gonna taste good. How can you go wrong with that?
Yeah, exactly.
Boom.
Garlic, butter, parsley, can't go wrong. So we're gonna put a little bit on. Just kind of slather it.
Don't push too hard.
I'm not. It's cheese bread. It's not cheese bread. So you gotta have a decent amount of cheese on it.
Just don't count the 2 ingredients, right?
Right. Please be something. Please be something. It's gonna be good. We're gonna preheat the oven and we're gonna put it in for like 2 minutes. Not that long.
Or until it's bubbling.
Right. And then we're gonna go downstairs and try it. We have a little bit of no sugar added pizza sauce. You could use marinara, you could use ranch, you could use nothing if you're brave. I don't know. I mean, the idea behind this was a guilt-free garlic bread. Why does it look like a meatball sub? I don't know. Doesn't it? Like an open face.
It's vegetarian.
Okay. So it's collapsing like my dreams. Yeah. The interesting thing is, on the bottom, there's like a texture because it poked through. So there's like this kind of bumpy, bumpy texture. I don't know. So let's see. 0 net carb, cheesy bread. It's good. I'm trying to taste because you put garlic in there and the parsley, you don't really taste anything else other than that. So this is actually a really good vehicle for a cheesy bread. So I was right. Sometimes with cloud breads or breads that are made out of egg whites, they taste like eggs. I really can't taste it. And actually, since it kind of collapsed, it's a thicker consistency. It's not like the airy styrofoamy consistency that you get with a lot of egg white breads. It's kind of soft. Right. It's soft on the inside and there's crunch from the cheese and from the top. Yeah. It's really good. It tastes really good.
Now, if you're gonna try to make a baguette out of it, I don't know if it would work, honestly. This our version of what we did.
Yeah, what the original creator did was that she had enough space, I think, to kind of cut it and make a sandwich out of it. But this is the perfect thing for a cheesy bread.
Mm-hmm. Would it be a good pizza crust? I don't know. Why not?
I don't know. It looks like a shoe on the bottom.
It looks like a sole of a shoe.
See, we're eating all of it. That's a good sign, you guys. It's like spongy in the middle.
I mean, if you care about this type of bread as a vessel and you're really gonna care about the toppings that go on it, I think this is a great bread for that. I'm trying to taste it. Like, even the egg white to me does not taste like eggs. Do you think it tastes like egg? I can't taste it.
It's really good.
And since it's like, what, hardly any carbs, hardly any calories, you could put 2 and not feel guilty about it.
You guys,
Gone.
we didn't have much hope because, you know, sometimes we just mess everything up.
Or we test recipes and they're just, you know.
Or they're not good. But this is good. It tasted good. So give it a try. Let us know if you have any other ideas of how we could use this bread in the comment section below. We would love to hear it. And
Like a cinnamon roll.
A cinnamon roll.
Why not?
A cinnamon roll.
Why not? Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. We are very grateful for hitting 250,000 subscribers. It has been
A journey.
A journey. 5 years.
But we're having fun.
Yes, we are. And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video here. So why don't you click on it and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.